Our journey to KFC tenders begins at a serene poultry farm in the United States, which serves as KFC's largest supplier. These farms are carefully designed to prioritize the well-being of the chickens, not just as places for raising birds. Automatic dispensers play a crucial role in maintaining the chickens' health, ensuring they always have access to fresh, clean water. The spacious barns allow the chickens to roam freely, unlike the cramped conditions found in some other farming setups. This freedom is vital for their health and growth, as a stress-free environment helps them develop strong and healthy. Once the chickens are ready for collection, modern machines, similar to gentle vacuum systems, arrive at the farm. These machines handle the chickens with great care, gently placing them into clean, secure crates that ensure their safety and comfort during the journey. This careful handling reduces stress, helping to keep the chickens calm throughout the trip. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the chickens are unloaded with the same attention and care. Experienced workers use conveyor belts and handle the birds gently, focusing on their health and safety, which is essential for producing high-quality products. The processing plant is a marvel of modern technology, designed to efficiently manage large volumes of chickens while ensuring precision. As the chickens move along the conveyor belt, they pass through a machine that quickly and painlessly renders them unconscious, ensuring humane treatment. This commitment to animal welfare is a key focus throughout the processing process. Next, the chickens move to the feather removal stage, where a specialized machine removes all the feathers. The feet are separated from the rest of the body, and the chickens then undergo an internal cleaning process. Once cleaned, the chickens are thoroughly washed in a pool of water using high-pressure jets to remove any remaining blood or impurities. After drying, chickens are cut into parts, with breast pieces reserved for KFC tenders. Automated machines remove the skin and make precise cuts, separating the breast from the rest of the chicken. The breasts are then tumbled in rollers to lock in moisture, enhancing tenderness. They are inspected, sprayed to remove bacteria, coated in flour, and fried to a crispy golden brown perfection. Cheese cubes are coated in batter, passed through breadcrumbs, and fried to create a crispy exterior with a gooey center. Automated machines ensure consistency and quality, producing large quantities efficiently. The process continues smoothly with packaging for a perfect, hassle-free snack. Large-scale machines mix ingredients, producing thousands of burger patties and ensuring perfect precision. Chicken nuggets are partially fried to lock in juiciness and achieve a golden brown look. Automation guarantees consistency, making these fast food favorites irresistible. The potato production process begins with freshly harvested potatoes arriving at the factory, where they are carefully loaded onto a conveyor belt. The belt moves them into the washing area, where a steady stream of water cleanses them to remove contaminants. After the initial rinse, soft brushes gently scrub the skins before the potatoes move to the drying stage. Next, they proceed to an automatic peeling station, where abrasive rollers remove the skins. The peeled potatoes are then chopped into uniform chunks by large choppers. Some potatoes are set aside for quality checks, where experts select the best ones to be halved and packed immediately. Meanwhile, a separate line prepares potatoes for mashed potatoes. The potatoes are boiled on site, ensuring they are fresh and ready to be blended. After boiling, excess water is drained, and the potatoes are mixed with butter and milk to create a creamy texture. The result is the perfect mashed potatoes, ready to be served as a side dish or main course. Automated nozzles ensure that the right amount of mashed potatoes is dispensed for each batch, completing the process efficiently. The journey of crafting the perfect frozen pizza begins with smooth, fluffy dough that is shaped into thousands of pizza pans for partial baking. As the dough bakes, an automated system spreads pizza sauce evenly over the dough. Once the sauce is applied, the cheese is thoroughly checked for quality to ensure it doesn't negatively affect the pizza. After passing the quality checks, cheese blocks are crushed and evenly sprinkled over the pizza, followed by additional cheese slices and other toppings. The pizzas are then frozen immediately to preserve freshness and packaged in transparent food sheets to protect them. These automated machines work tirelessly to ensure that every pizza is perfectly prepared. The pizzas are boxed and ready for distribution, ensuring that consumers always get a high-quality product. The efficiency and precision of these machines are key to delivering consistent results. The process of making buns begins with dough that is formed into balls and placed into dedicated pans. The dough is allowed to rise for a few minutes, then a vacuum removes excess crumbs to ensure a neat finish. Once baked to perfection, the buns are ready to be dressed with jam or other fillings, adding a burst of flavor to the fluffy buns. In the production of honey candies, pure honey is blended with other ingredients and processed into a thick mixture using smart rollers. The dough is kneaded until it reaches a smooth, rich consistency, and automated machines shape and cut the candies to ensure each piece meets quality standards. After cooling, the candies are wrapped in protective packaging to preserve freshness and prevent sticking. These candies are packaged in sets of 9, ready for shipping. The production of Jelly Belly candies starts with mixing ingredients in a large machine before pouring the mixture into molds. Once the candies cool, they are spun in a special machine to ensure uniform size, shape, and texture. With a variety of flavors to choose from, Jelly Belly offers a fun snacking experience, allowing consumers to explore different tastes and combinations. Robotic machines play an essential role in creating pizza crusts, as they quickly and precisely form them to be filled with sauces and toppings. Similarly, high-speed chopping machines process fresh meat, cutting it into equal-sized pieces. These meat pieces are then packed into cans, sealed, and labeled with robotic hands, ensuring the entire process is efficient and flawless. These automated systems not only ensure speed, but also maintain high levels of precision, reducing the likelihood of errors and ensuring that every product is made to the highest standard. From pizzas and buns to candies and meats, automation transforms the food production process into a seamless operation, delivering consistent and high-quality products. Making perfect dough by hand can be tricky, but with advanced machines, it's easy. Once formed into balls, the dough is smoothly processed through a waffle-making machine that rolls and bakes them to perfection. Sandwiches, a go-to meal paired with coffee or tea, are also made efficiently with automated machinery, cutting preparation time significantly. Fruit flavors are turned into delightful candies using robotic machines, ensuring smoothness, consistency, and perfect taste. The candies are uniformly cut, shaped, and sized, ready for colorful packaging. Machines shape sponge cakes into donut forms, which are then dipped into rich chocolate and drizzled with syrup for added flavor. Every donut is made with precision for a delightful experience. Sushi begins with carefully prepared rice, which is rinsed, cooked, and seasoned perfectly. While it cools, workers prepare meats, vegetables, and seaweed. Using rolling machines, the sushi is assembled and sliced into perfect pieces before being packaged fresh. For kimbap, spicy sauces are mixed into freshly cooked rice, then spread onto sheets and topped with meat, sauces, and vegetables. The kimbap is shaped into triangles, cut to size, and sealed for freshness before being packed for you to enjoy. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of how some of your favorite fast food treats come to life, from the farm to your plate. Every step, from careful chicken collection to the automated precision in making those crispy KFC tenders, shows the incredible blend of technology and care that goes into creating your favorite snacks. Whether it's cheese cubes, mashed potatoes, or that perfect frozen pizza, it's all about efficiency, quality, and consistency. So next time you're enjoying your meal, remember all the behind-the-scenes magic that makes it all happen. If you found this process as mind-blowing as we did, drop a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode of our food journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.